guys, today I gonna mix some. What do you want color? I will put on it for pink or purple. I think that both are pink or purple. First, I'm gonna start with this pink. We're gonna put on this pink flower on it. Do you see that? The flower. And this pink little My Melody. We go over here. And this beautiful long bracelet will go here. And this little circle will go over here. Do you know what is this? I forgot what is this. What is it? A peach? Okay. We go here and drop it. And this one going here. And this is already the last one, the bracelet. And we are done. And we will go with this to this. Do everyone want to buy some any those ones? Okay. I think there's a problem. First, just look out and saw every yellow ones. Okay, I gonna get this one up from here, and this comes into the bracelet yellow. And this is the beautiful clip for the yellow ones. And we open it and get here the yellow bracelet. And get this yellow. Oh, this is not one. Can I give the box to everyone? This one. I'm gonna give to everyone. Just wait. Where is it? Where is it? The yellow. Here it's go. And this is the yellow. Who like this? Look, little yellow. And we are done. And this is the Max, this is it. We will open it. I think because I found something crazy about on my mind. Here, this bracelet I showed you last week. Here, do you see this? It's there. And this will go here. And the little teeny yellow will go here. And this ribbon I just said to you, go here. And this cute clip will go here. And this one will go there. You will say to me, what color do you want to give to want to get? I will give it to you for free. Or some 5 pesos. That is only 5 pesos. Okay? Don't forget like and subscribe.